Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of this foodie gang. So for today's video, we are going to be preparing jollof rice. So I have some few veggies and sausage here that I've already cut that we'll be using for the jollof. So I have onions, carrots and sausages. So from the previous video, I told you I'll be using the chicken stew for jollof, so that is what we are going to do. So we wouldn't be preparing any new stew, we'll just be using this stew from the other time. So let's just get right into the video. So first off, you put your stew into a pan. That's where you be cooking your jollof rice. So basically jollof rice is just a mixture of stew and rice cooked together to get jollof rice. Yes, for those who don't know. So you just put your stew in your pan, add water, add your rice, cover it up for it to cook. So right now I have my stew in my pan. I'm going to light the gas, then we continue. Now what we are going to do is wash our rice. So you pour some water on it and wash. So since our rice is washed now, we'll go ahead and put it inside the stew. So you just put your rice in the stew. Then you stir. Add your water. You add salt, stir it up and leave it to boil. So now you just leave it to boil and cook. So I'm going to check on the rice. Okay, it's cooking nicely. Remember to always cook your jollof on low heat. You don't need that much heat when cooking jollof. So remember to always cook it in low heat. So it's not cooked. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to wash my wrapper that I'll be using to cover it. Then I'll come back and cover it up. So I have the wrapper here that I'll be using to cover the food. You can also use your aluminium foil if you want to. Usually I use aluminium foil, but today I've actually run out, so we'll be using the rubber, which works perfectly as well. So you just cover your food up this way. So the heat and the vapor that will be forming from the rubber will be cooking the jollof for you. As I said earlier, remember to cook it on low heat. I think it's best if we add our vegetables now. So let me just quickly add the veggies and everything. So I give it a quick stir. I'm going to cover it back and let it cook for a while. Yeah. So guys, our jollof should be ready now. Yeah. Wow. So it's ready now. I'm going to plate it and enjoy it. So guys, our original Ghana jollof is ready to be consumed by me. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share. And also if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to become part of this foodie gang. Yes. See you all on another video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.